What if I told you your brain isn't tired, it's rotting? Not physically, but from endless scrolling, mindless videos, and distractions that steal your focus. Scary part? Most people don't even notice it's happening until it's too late. Think about it. When was the last time you went 5 minutes without checking your phone? When silence hits, do you feel the urge to just scroll for a second? That's not boredom anymore. That's brain rot. And the longer you let it grow, the harder it becomes to focus, to work deeply, or even to enjoy life without stimulation. But here's the good news. Brain rot can be cured. And the first step? It starts with how you train your mind. Your brain is like an algorithm. Feed it junk, it craves junk. Feed it quality, it craves growth. So instead of swiping on empty dopamine hits, replace one scroll session with something richer. A podcast, a book, or even just sitting with your thoughts. Yes, it'll feel uncomfortable at first, but remember, discomfort is the detour. And once you do that, you'll need to take the fight one step further. Set rules for your brain. Dinner table? No phone. Bedtime? No phone. Studying? Keep it out of reach. Why? Because every glance, every buzz steals focus like a thief in the night. And here's the truth. If you can't control your device, you'll never control your direction. But detox and boundaries alone aren't enough. To cure brain rot, you must rewire your life. Bored? Don't scroll. Learn, move, build. Try something, exercise, journaling, a new skill. Every time you replace distraction with creation, you prove to yourself that you're stronger than the urge. That's how you reclaim your focus, one choice at a time. Here's the truth. Brain rot isn't about your phone, it's about control. The more you let small distractions own your time, the more they own your life. But the day you decide, no more, that's the day you take your mind back. So ask yourself, will you let brain rot consume you? Or will you reclaim your focus, and with it, your future?